Captains here, Adam Shelton, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos. Today we're talking about Uniswap. What is Uniswap? Well, it's the largest decentralized exchange operating on the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users anywhere in the world to trade crypto without any intermediary. Uni, the governance token that allows users to vote on a key protocol changes, is the fourth largest crypto bar market cap on Coinbase based off April of 2021. Now, let me go ahead and take a look at more about Uniswap protocol. Swap, earn, build on a leading decentralized crypto trading protocol. And check out some of this volume numbers here. Trade volume is this, all-time trades, integrations, and community delegates. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you're getting ready to swap using the Uniswap system here. So right now, I have Ethereum. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do, you want to go ahead and log into your wallet of your choice. So you can go ahead, log into your wallet. I'm using MetaMask for this actually trading here. So then once you connect to your wallet, you want to go ahead and look for an Ethereum. So if I'm trying to swap off anything from here, I'm going to use Ethereum to be able to do that. So I select Ethereum, and the next one here, let's say I'm trying to trade for SHIB. So I'm going to go here, type in SHIB. I can type in SHIB just like so, and there we go. And then from here, you click on there. I want to adjust my slippage. So from there, I will go ahead and do like maybe do a 15. All right. And then from here, I can trade this amount of Ethereum for SHIB. So for right now, I have a little Ethereum to be able to trade this with. Not very much, but just a little bit just to show you here on this training here. So I want to leave some for gas. Okay. So if I'm trying to get that amount of SHIB, this is where it will cost. Okay. So the next thing I would do is I would go ahead and make the swap actually movement. This breaks down the confirmation of the swap. One SHIB equals that Ethereum, and also the other detailed information that you see. Confirm swap, bring back the MetaMask notification because I'm using MetaMask in this actually training. And then from here, it's telling me, okay, this time this gas fee is going to be, this will be a total of the entire transaction here. So I confirm everything will be $6.26. And that's what I would use for this confirmation trading here. So Ethereum, how you get Ethereum, you can get it actually on Coinbase, and you can get it sent over to your Uniswap wallet or your MetaMask wallet. Very simple and very easy. But Uniswap, real quick, it is the largest decentralized exchange operating on Ethereum blockchain. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more information about cryptocurrency. You're in the right place at the right time, and I'll see you on the next video.